Are you tired of feeling stuck in your financial journey? Do you want to attract more wealth but need to know where to start? I hear you, and you're not alone. This video is about to take you on a transformational journey. We're diving deep into 8 powerful mindset shifts that have the potential to completely revamp your wealth. Imagine swapping out old limiting beliefs for new, empowering ones that magnetize abundance. We'll explore how to transition from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance, how to heal your money wounds, and why investing in knowledge can supercharge your wealth engine. We'll delve into why embracing risk equals opportunity, the virtue of patience in wealth building, and the golden power of setting goals. We'll also uncover why your network equals your net worth, and how gratitude can attract more wealth into your life. Get ready to break free from financial limitations and attract more money into your life now. Banish the not enough monster. We often trap ourselves in a scarcity mindset, a belief that there is never enough. It's like being stuck in a desert, constantly seeking an oasis that never comes. But it's time to shake off those shackles. Start believing in abundance, in the possibility of more than enough. Ask yourself, how can I afford it? Instead of telling yourself, I can't afford it. When you shift from scarcity to abundance, you start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles. You begin to realize that the world is a treasure trove of possibilities waiting for you to explore. This mindset shift is like swapping the bicycle for a Ferrari on your wealth-building highway. Suddenly, you're not just moving, you're accelerating, reaching new heights of financial freedom. This shift opens up a world of creative solutions and opportunities. This shift is a gem from the wise Ken Honda, who wrote the book Happy Money. It's time to heal those money wounds. You see, our past financial mistakes and negative beliefs about money can act like weeds in a garden, choking the potential for wealth growth. Perhaps you've made some poor investment choices, or you've been told that money is the root of all evil. These are the weeds that hinder your wealth journey. But here's the empowering part. You can uproot these weeds. You can heal these money wounds. It starts with understanding, forgiving yourself, and learning from those past mistakes or misconceptions. Consider each setback as an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to prepare for future success. By healing these money wounds, we create a fertile space for abundance to bloom. This process transforms every setback into a setup for a financial breakthrough. So, let's embrace this shift and make room for wealth to flourish. Read books, attend workshops, and listen to podcasts. This is the mantra of the financially savvy. In our quest to transform our wealth, we must never underestimate the power of knowledge. It's like the fuel that powers the engine of our financial growth. Think about it. Every successful investor, every self-made millionaire, every financial guru, what do they all have in common? They are lifelong learners. They recognize the value of constantly expanding their financial wisdom. Books are the treasure troves of knowledge. They are the wisdom of the ages condensed into a few hundred pages. Workshops offer a hands-on, interactive way to acquire new skills. They are like the gym for your financial muscles. Podcasts, meanwhile, are the knowledge capsules for the busy bee. Whether you're commuting or cooking, you can learn on the go. So turn your time into gold by investing it in learning. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Embrace risk like an old friend. Yes, you heard it right. But before you get carried away, it's important to clarify that we're talking about calculated risks, not reckless gambles. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, not diving headfirst into financial ruin. Think of it as a dance with uncertainty that can lead to significant growth. In the realm of wealth building, risk is an essential component. It's the heartbeat of opportunity, the engine driving innovation, and the catalyst that turns potential into reality. It's what separates the average from the extraordinary, the stagnant from the dynamic. Consider the world's most successful entrepreneurs and investors. They didn't build their wealth by playing it safe. They took calculated risks, learned from their failures, and turned their losses into valuable lessons. So dare to take that step. Dare to make that investment, dare to venture into the unknown. Because when you do, you'll discover that it's like choosing the path less traveled and finding it lined with treasure chests. Patience is your new BFF. Yes, you heard it right. Patience, the virtue that seems to have gone out of fashion in our fast-paced, instant gratification world. But when it comes to wealth building, patience is not just a virtue, it's a necessity. It is the secret ingredient that separates the truly wealthy from the fleeting rich. It's the steady, persistent force that propels you forward on your wealth journey, even when the path gets rocky. Think of wealth building like planting a tree. You don't plant a seed today and expect to sit in its shade tomorrow. It takes time for the seed to sprout, grow, and finally become a tree. Likewise, your investments need time to grow and compound, so don't rush the process. Don't let impatience lead you to hasty, unwise decisions. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Think of it as slow cooking your favorite dish. It takes time, but the flavors, oh boy, the flavors are worth it. Set goals like you're firing arrows at a bullseye. Goals, my friends, are the compass that guide us on our journey to financial freedom. They are the milestones that mark our progress, the signposts that keep us on track. Imagine your financial journey as a road trip. Without a destination in mind, you'd just be driving aimlessly, wasting fuel and time. But with a clear destination and a roadmap, every mile brings you closer to your dream. Financial goals are no different. They could be as short-term as saving for a summer vacation, or as long-term as building a retirement nest egg. And they don't always have to be about accumulating wealth. They could be about paying off debt or investing in a passion project. The key is to set goals that resonate with your life vision. And remember, these goals are not set in stone. They can and should evolve as you do. Review them regularly, adjust as needed, and take inspired action, no matter how small, towards them every day. Without them, you're just wandering in the wilderness of possibilities. Your network is your net worth. You've probably heard this phrase before, but have you ever really taken it to heart? Building a strong network isn't about collecting business cards or LinkedIn connections. It's about cultivating genuine relationships with people who inspire you, challenge you, and support your financial growth journey. Imagine having a personal board of advisors you can turn to for wisdom and advice. These are the people who have walked the path before you and can guide you around potential pitfalls. They can introduce you to opportunities you might not have found on your own. They can be your sounding board, your cheerleaders, and your reality check when you need it. This network isn't just about taking, it's about giving too. As you grow in your financial journey, you'll have the opportunity to share your knowledge, your experiences, and your success with others. You'll find that the more you give, the more you receive. It's like having a team of cheerleaders who also give excellent investment advice. Be grateful. Gratitude is like a magnet for more good stuff, including money. The power of gratitude is truly transformative. It's not just about saying thank you for what we already have, but also about cultivating an attitude of appreciation that extends to every aspect of our lives. Think about it this way. When we're grateful, we acknowledge the value of something, and in turn, we're signaling to the universe that we're ready and open to receive more of it. It's like opening the floodgates of abundance. Gratitude also shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, and this shift is crucial. By focusing on abundance rather than scarcity, we're creating a positive and prosperous energy that attracts more wealth and prosperity. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. Suddenly, we can see all the wonderful things that were always there but went unnoticed. And when we see these things, we realize that we're richer than we thought. But gratitude isn't just about the big things in life, like a promotion or a hefty paycheck. It's also about appreciating the small things. The smell of fresh coffee in the morning, the laughter of a loved one, the comfort of a warm bed. All these things are signs of abundance in our lives, and the more we appreciate them, the more we attract their equivalents in financial terms. So how do we cultivate this powerful attitude of gratitude? Start by keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big things. In fact, it's often the small, everyday blessings that make the biggest impact. Also, make it a habit to say thank you often. Not just to others, but also to yourself and the universe. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Acknowledge your growth, your efforts, your resilience. Remember, gratitude is more than just a feel-good emotion. It's a powerful mindset shift that opens the door to abundance. So, thank you, paycheck, and hello, abundance. Now that we've delved into the mindset shifts needed to tap into the abundance you deserve, it's time to take action. Yes, all the knowledge in the world is useless without action. The journey of 1,000 miles, as they say, begins with a single step. So, what's your first step going to be? Maybe you'll start by healing your money wounds, or perhaps you'll invest in expanding your knowledge about finances. You may decide that it's time to take a calculated risk, or maybe you'll begin by setting clear financial goals. Perhaps your first step is to start appreciating the abundance that already exists in your life and express gratitude for it. Remember, there's no right or wrong first step. The important thing is that you take that step. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Embrace the journey and trust that every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are also on their path to financial freedom. Share your wins, your challenges, and your insights. Learn from others and let them learn from you. So, are you ready to take that first step? Are you ready to shift your mindset and open the door to financial abundance? We believe in you, and we're here to support you every step of the way. And there you have it, the 8 mindset shifts that will transform your wealth now. Remember, attracting more money starts with a change in your mindset. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Please subscribe to our channel for more wealth-building strategies and tips. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step now. See you in the next video.